Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Knowledge. Today I am going to talk about the code which you all can see on the welding electrode. If you are a welder or a mechanical engineer, it is very essential to know and have an idea about this code. These are examples of mild steel welding electrode which are mostly used in industries. Okay, let's not waste your precious time and start the lesson on this welding electrode code. In this electrode, you can find E6013, which is a mild steel electrode, as I have said earlier. Here you can see a letter E, which is nothing but just a symbol of electrode. Now, the first two digits, which is 60, indicates the minimum tensile strength of the electrode, which is 60 kilopound per square inch. So, let me elaborate more. That is, when you are doing welding with this rod, the minimum load this weld will be able to bear or withstand will be 60,000 pound per square inch. Now, second last digit, which you all can see, indicates weld position. Out here you all can see the second last digit is 1, which means this electrode can be used in all positions, that includes flat, horizontal, vertical and overhead. If the second last digit number was 2, then the electrode can be used only for 2 positions, that includes horizontal and flat. This means if you use an electrode whose last 2 digit is 2 for welding vertical or overhead position, then the welding quality would be affected, or it would be difficult for a welder to do welding. Now let us understand the meaning of the last 2 digit. Here the last 2 digit indicates the type of flux. Basically, one should know that the density of flux material is less compared to the rod. So during welding, when high current passes through the electrode, which tends to melt it, flux density being less than the metal, it floats on top of the molten weld pool, which prevents the welding from contamination and oxidation, which will result in formation of welding defects. So here are few examples of flux which you all can see on welding electrode, which are generally used in industries and fabrication purposes. Sometimes you will see AWS on a welding electrode. A question might occur in your mind that what does this mean? So it's nothing but an organization called American Welding Society, and this type of electrode is said to be approved by American Welding Society. So if this video was 1% also useful to you all, please friends, like and subscribe to my channel to get some more updates and videos related to technical knowledge. Thank you.